Yo, what's going on everybody? Anxiety Offline back again today for a very quick video. The fingerboard community got some very exciting news this past week, and that is that BLACKRIVER is actually opening up a store stateside. My 14-year-old self would be going absolutely nuts if I got this news. Back in the day, I couldn't even imagine something like this happening. I am super excited for this. I cannot wait to visit. It's going to be super cool. We don't have a ton of info yet, but I wanted to share the information we do have just because it's so exciting. So the store is going to be at 1136 North Milwaukee Avenue, which is really crazy because when I lived in Chicago, I almost moved to an apartment kind of like around the corner on Ashland from this place. Now, BLACKRIVER is actually doing their own grand opening party on October 12th. So if you're anywhere in the area, anywhere near there, I definitely recommend you go. It's going to be an awesome time. They're going to be doing contests, giveaways. They have guest pros that are going to be there, and a lot more stuff. They'll be featuring a bunch of different brands and products from around the world. It's going to be really amazing, and I know a lot of people from my local scene are taking a trip out there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go quite yet. I really want to, but either way, I'll be definitely making a visit when they're officially opened up, that's for sure. So, I made a post on Instagram. Let's go through it real quick. They said that the new store is located on Milwaukee Avenue in a quiet pocket of the wonderful Wicker Park neighborhood. And Wicker Park's an awesome place to be, I gotta say. Lots of awesome restaurants, lots of awesome fun things to do in general. And they are about 1 block southeast of the Division train stop on the Blue Line, which is accessible directly from O'Hare Airport. And the same train continues to downtown, to the Loop, to Millennium Park, and a lot of the major tourist attractions. I used to live in downtown Chicago, right in the Loop, and it's a very fun city to be in. This was about 15 years ago now, so I imagine it's changed a lot since then. In my opinion, BLACKRIVER couldn't have picked a better spot, maybe besides Detroit, but for this store, it's gonna be amazing. So the post continues. If you head northwest from the store, you'll find yourself in the heart of Wicker Park with tons of food, shopping nearby, including Uprise Skate Shop, Supreme, Carhartt, St. Alfred, Adidas, and many more. Head down Division Street to find more bars, dispensaries, and shopping. While a majority of our neighborhood is other small businesses, we are very close to major amenities such as Target, grocery stores, Starbucks, etc. Public transit to and from the store is quick and easy. It's very close to the suburbs as well, so if you live like in Oak Park or whatever, the store is not going to be too far from you at all. For those driving, they're very close to 90-94, which is crazy to read that because my house is actually pretty close to 94. So it's like 5 hours away, but still it's pretty just trippy to read that. Street parking, widely available. And then they go to continue on about how most spots are paid, but some spots aren't. And Chicago PD shows little mercy when it comes to parking, and tickets up there are pretty expensive, so make sure you kind of get that all figured out. They continue, we can't wait to see you. We'll continue to share updates, information, and sneak peeks throughout the month. See you in October. And it's super cool, October is just next month. This is happening super fast. Definitely cannot wait to visit. It's gonna be very cool. And let's go through some of the comments real quick. So a lot of people are also very excited they're gonna be in Chicago. It seems the Midwest fingerboarding scene is really going nuts right now. Michigan, Ohio, Illinois, just all over the Midwest, people are fingerboarding and having fun with it. And a lot of people are asking about cheaper shipping, so that's one thing I hope for too. I hope BLACKRIVER can start shipping stuff from that location so people in the US can kind of get stuff for cheaper shipping costs, and that will make the biggest difference in the larger parks. So imagine living anywhere in Michigan, Ohio, anywhere within driving distance of Chicago, and being able to physically drive to a BLACKRIVER store, pick up your G6 Plaza or whatever it may be, and then drive it back home. For my 14-year-old self, that would be a dream come true. Someone said, still can't believe this is real. I can't believe it either. This is like so crazy. It's gonna be so awesome to like walk in this place, just look around, see all the ramps on the wall. Hopefully maybe it'll look kind of like this. I don't know. But either way, it's gonna be awesome. A lot of people are very hyped, and I know I am too. So I don't want to make this too long because we don't have too much info yet, but I want to just kind of share the news, spread the word. A brick and mortar BLACKRIVER store is coming to the US very soon. It's gonna be right in the heart of West Side Chicago. I really cannot wait. It's gonna be super fun. Hopefully I'll see y'all there when I go to visit. And that's it for today's fingerboard news. So I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Peace.